Guys, welcome to the video. Today I'll be doing a review on the YSL Lou Camera Bag. I got this about a year ago and I wanted to do a review and a quick wear and tear on this particular bag. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So I got this back in July of last year, so it's been almost a year since I got this bag, and this was actually my very first luxury handbag. I really love this handbag because it's great for every day. I got the one with the black hardware, so this will pretty much match with anything that you wear. And I feel that this is a little more understated just because the hardware is in black as well. So a little bit about this bag. This is a calfskin leather. So the dimensions of this bag is 9 inches across, 6.2 inches in height, and 2.3 inches in depth. And the strap drop is about 24 inches depending on the setting that you choose. And it is a true style camera bag by the shape of it. It has an adjustable strap, but it is not detachable. It has the tassel on the side and it says Saint Laurent. And on the inside it has one slip pocket right back here. And on the inside it says Saint Laurent. That's what the interior looks like. It's pretty black, I know, so it's hard to see. But it's just one big compartment with one slip pocket. It has a leather pull tab. The zipper is pretty smooth. I've had no issues with the closure and opening of this bag. So this is what the front looks like. And this is the back. It has the chevron pattern, and on the bottom and sides it's just plain, doesn't have the pattern all the way around, and the top. So the pros and cons about this bag: the pros is that it is a great everyday bag. You can pretty much choose different colors and hardware for your lifestyle. It fits a lot of your everyday essentials. I have never really had issues fitting all my things in here. I love the way the leather feels. It's very soft and squishy, but it's still a very structured bag. The strap has 7 settings, and I have it towards the third to the last longest setting. The strap is pretty comfortable. I never felt like it was digging into my shoulder, even when I had a lot of things in the bag. I don't really have too many cons to this particular bag other than the wear on the bag. Let's talk about the wear and tear of this bag. As you can see, the top, I don't know why it does this. It used to be very flat when I first got it. It was pretty much like this, and for some reason it just tends to puff up in the middle like that. I mean, it doesn't really bother me, but just note that the leather up here, for some reason, it tends to go up a little bit, and this leather loop is definitely showing some wear, and the glazing has definitely come off in some of the areas there. I don't know if you can see this side. On this side, I've noticed the wear and tear is more obvious on the front side of the bag than on the back side. and I think that's pretty normal for wear and tear, since it really rubs against it every time you wear the bag or take off the bag. The wrinkling on the bag is very minimal, although on some angle you can kind of see there is starting to be some wrinkle. It's more pronounced, I think, on this side. I think because this is the side that is resting on my body, so that's expected, but it's still very minimal. I don't notice any scratches on the hardware. The zipper still looks pretty good, and on the bottom I don't really see any scratches, but I do notice that there is a little bit of corner wear and tear. I don't know if you're gonna see this, but there's the leather kind of scratched off on the side there. Aside from that, I don't really see any corner wear, so that's good. Lastly, the pull tab does kind of bend at the end here, as you can see. It's not as straight. I would suggest being careful how you store the tab. It can leave the imprint of the distortion there. I think if I were to store it straight, I think it would go back to the original form. Oh, I forgot to mention the tassel. The tassel is removable, and it has the Saint Laurent plating there. There are some light scratches on here, but very minimal. As far as wrinkling on the strap itself, there are some wrinkles on it. It's more obvious on the inside part of the strap. As far as the interior goes, I would probably say this is a little stretched, but it easily goes back to its original form. I don't really see too many. I mean, of course, you know, the bottom of the bag tends to get a little bit dirty, but I don't have any staining or anything. So anyways, that was my review on the Lou Camera Bag from YSL. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.